Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Count Your Blessings. Today I'm going to share with you a craft project that you can do with your kids and keep them entertained in this time when we're all staying at home to keep ourselves, our family and our country safe. Hope you enjoy this video and stay home and stay safe, people. I thank all the people who are risking their lives to help us out in this time of need. God bless you and make you a blessing to many. Now without further ado, let's get started. I have these boards from the organizers. This is one such organizer that is broken and cannot be used. So I'm going to reuse these boards. And I've got a printout of a house. It can also be fancy like this. I've chosen to go the simple route. I'm going to use these and cut out templates on this board with a snapper blade. And then using a hot glue gun, you can fix it up and then decorate it to your liking. Let's get started. First, using a pair of scissors, I'm going to cut these templates out. I've cut the pieces out. This is the front and the back, so you need two of this. This is the side of the house, so you need two of this. And this is the roof of the house, and you need two of this. So I'm going to use a snapper blade, and I'm going to cut this out from this board. I think you can make one house with one board, and then let's see how it goes. I have finally cut it. Two of the, one for the front, one for the back, two side pieces, and two for the roof. And I'm going to make 4 houses in total. And it took me around 2 hours to cut for 4 houses. And my fingers are really paining. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Now I'm going to hot glue it. I just realized that I made a mistake. The reason that this is not fitting is because instead of adding this way, I'm supposed to add it this way. So I'm going to remove it and redo it. outline of the 4 houses are ready. I know they are not very good, but I'm just planning to keep the kids occupied, so I think we should do. Now to let the kids decorate it how they want. Painted houses. We have some pistachio shells and some pencil shadings that we're going to use to and that's it. I tried giving it a red roof, but I don't think I like this. This is way better. And the boys wanted me to cut out the doors so that they could park their cars inside. And just kept them entertained for, I think we did this about for around 1 to 2 hours per day, and this took around 2 days to complete. One day they just painted the outer, and then the next day we did the sticking work, and now they want to do more painting. And see, they wanted to do a lightning bolt. Boys. They also did the splatter effect. And this was supposed to be a Christmas tree. At the end of the day, it kept them occupied and they enjoyed it. So hope you find something around your house also to keep your kids entertained. I would also like to show you an alternative idea. These are the houses that my sister and the boys made. She used a foam board to cut the outer. These are foam boards, and she glued them together with a glue gun. And this is red cardstock or chart paper that she cut into half circles, and the boys stuck them down. And they used ice cream sticks, cut them to the size, painted them in the color of their choice, and they stuck them to the sides of the houses. And look at the inside, each one is different. The first house, the bed was made of little sponge foam board. This is pretty wrapping paper. This is bits of fabric. This is actually a carry bag that was cut down. And this paper they've actually colored. They also colored a canvas to stick it on. These are gift wraps and 12 by 12 cardstock. Gift wrap cut to keep as a carpet. So these are also some ideas for you to keep your kids entertained. And yes, these were excitedly decorated by our boys who said girls should have all the fun. So hope you found this video useful. Hope you found some nice ideas to keep your kids entertained this time when we're all stuck in our homes. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you. Stay home and stay safe, people. Thank you, doctors, nurses, and all the health people, and all those people who are continuing to do their job to keep us safe and healthy and well nourished. Bye-bye.